So yes, everybody, thanks for tuning, and it's time to race. Yeah, we have it. So this has been a very fun project. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. And what I'm gonna ask you to do is to try it out. It's very simple as long as you have the proper tools. Always a router is better than the tool I have used. It has made it very much difficult for me, but I achieved it. Now, what I said in previous videos, it doesn't matter what the track looks like. I was just experimenting with how my curves are gonna end up being. I wanted to see the unions between straight lines and curves. So yes, stay tuned for more projects. Subscribe to my channel for over 180 videos I have already posted, and they're all original. I never use anybody else's videos. They're all my videos, guys. So come and join me. Have fun.